All right, welcome to the Jet Experience. Today is a super special day because I'm at Universal Studios all by myself for what might be a sneak preview of Super Nintendo World. So I got up really early, showed up here. They just rope dropped. So I'm going to zip on down there and see what we're looking at because I see a team member right behind me. You can see him there. He's kind of dressed like Mario. My bet is he's heading down to Super Nintendo World. So join us on join me on this experience. Oh, here we go. Super Nintendo World technical rehearsal. Ride may operate intermittently throughout the day. Not elements of the land may be functioning. All right, we'll get one last top view of it before we go in. I can see things moving. I can see people around there. We're heading down now. Walls are down. Sounds like we're in an action movie because obviously I ran next to Transformers. But first time I've seen it with the walls down, so that looks really awesome. All right, we are moving, and around the corner we go. I heard him clicking how many people are coming in. You can hear the music, and we're about to go through the tunnel. Very cool. Oh, yes. Holy smokes, this is all way bigger than I thought it would be. I mean, I guess I should have known, but I don't even know where to look.
Where to? Inside the store. I'm gonna follow you.
Wow. So let's get behind us. Obviously, Mushroom Kingdom, little ice world here. The One-Up Factory. Oh, I'm not yet. There's the Toadstool Cafe. Looks like it might actually be open. Really up close view of Bowser's Castle. There's a thwomping. And then I love, there's Yoshi running around the tree. All right, so they just kind of moved and let everybody walk in. There's really only maybe 25 to 30 people in front of me. So let's see what this looks like inside. I'll just kind of keep this running because you never know what we're gonna see in this brand new experience. Oh yeah. All right, after a brief pause, about 10 minutes, so we are now moving again, so I'm back to running. I might get quiet because again, I'm just kind of letting it run full POV style. It's very black light in here. Another pause. Looks like just another part of the queue. Let me get up and get some more footage. Oh, they just redirected the queue a little bit to open it up to allow for more, so we'll keep filming. Here. Yep, more kind of black light looking stuff. Oh, I gotta run my phone on this too. So another like metered stop as they just kind of slowly keep bringing us up. And then an announcement just came over, and I have never heard it get so deathly quiet in a queue when they're making an announcement as it just did. The moment he started talking, everybody stopped talking. Yeah, I could have heard a pin in here. And then as soon as he was done, the noise just went right back up. So everybody just, right on the edge, just waiting to get in there. And as you can see, right behind me, there's the kind of archway. There's a couple turns. Again, there's maybe 30 people in front of me. So once they let us go through, I suspect it'll go quick. All right, I didn't get the camera on in time, but they made a technical difficulty announcement, and then they immediately said we have some good news. We didn't hear what it was because everyone started screaming, but hopefully we're going to move up here momentarily. Oh, I see. Sunlight. Oh, we're up in the castle. Okay. Dude. Oh, okay. So the mouth of Bowser is like the entrance. Okay. See up close of Yoshi running around the tree. Oh, yeah.
This is our second one. That's the first.
This looks just like Mario Kart. Cannot wait to bring our little guy here. He will lose his mind. Oh, there's all the worlds. It's a big portrait of Bowser. Oh man. So much I don't know where to look. The saga of the Mushroom Kingdom. I'm going to zoom out so I can get better angle of this on my phone. I'm dual filming right now. So what's super cool is a team member behind me just said these screens are the same technology as a 3DS, just bigger, obviously.
All the way forward, make room for all the races coming in. Wow.
Again, grab your visors, pull the back piece out, adjust the white part to fit your head. Grab your visors and the windows, pull the back piece out, adjust the white part to fit your head.
Welcome to Bowser's Challenge.
Thank you.
And guys, both lines, go down both sides.
Let them know the 10-3.
How many?
Just one.
Just one. Go ahead and take row number 3.
All right.
Go ahead and pull your last one.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's a visor. It's gonna show a lot of stuff, so I don't know what the video will actually look like. This is very reminiscent of me for some of the flight stuff I do, flight simulators.
Have fun!
Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff in the visor that you just hit. It's giving oh, you can't see it. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, this is so cool. Go on. Oh, it's so warm. Got inked. Whoa. Well, hit a banana peel.
Adios.
Oh.
Running away. $141 coins. You can't see it, but I got 141. Oh, I got the high score. That's awesome. Yes, I will talk about this momentarily once we get out of here. What do you guys think?
It was awesome.
It was awesome.
I love the Rainbow Road.
Oh, that was amazing.
I know. One of the best rides here. I can't wait to do it again without this so I can actually pay attention. We're just waiting to get off now. You can see the exit coming up here. All right, here's us getting off now. Really drop off now.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Oh, and it empties into a shop. All right, let's look at some of the merch here. Bunch of plushes, some shirts. Oh, here's a little Bowser. Let's see, how much is the Bowser? 25? Oh, I'll definitely get that. Oh, little figures. Here's Mario and some Toad. This is a very, very big shop in here. And then they've got some of the merch that they've had in the shops for the last few months. Okay, so at the checkout, you can, in fact, it looks like buy magic band or power-up bands, but I'm actually going to go do it out at the machine just for the experience. All right, so here is the line. Oh, it was old school Mario. So here's the line for the machines to get the power-up bands. So we're coming in. What my goal is today is we need a Mario, a Luigi, and a Toad. And it's right next to a gigantic piranha plant. And up against the wall, and then if I turn around, you can see a better shot of Princess Peach's castle where we come through, and then a really nice backdrop of the Mushroom Kingdom here. After I get them power-up bands, my next stop is gonna be the restaurant, because I'm hungry and I want to see what it looks like in there. Touch the start shopping. So I need one Luigi, one Mario, and one Toad. Correct? Check out. Let's see. There we go. Okay. All right. Processing. Receipt and dispensing, which will come down right here. All right. Got one. We got two. And we got three. All right. Let's go find somewhere to set these down. Right here looks like a good idea. So we've got Mario, Luigi, and Toad. Perfect. Okay, all suited up with the power band. So it's a snap bracelet. It's that's all it is. It's a fancy snap bracelet with it. It's not like a watch band or anything. We've got some people taking pictures right under the piranha plant and this mystery block, which is one of the places you can use. But let me walk around and see if I can find somewhere else. Oh, I think I see one actually over by the bathrooms. All right, so for setting up, there's a QR code on the back. Once you're open the Super Nintendo World area, just scan band, yes, access. All right, so picking character image, so you can pick a couple different ones. Let's see. Yeah, I think I like the jumping one. Start. There we go.
Right. You're flipping all the panels to one color. Go and just tap to flip. There we go. Oh, and you can just use your hand. You don't need to use the wristband. All right, you got flip them all. All right. Oh, round two, you still got this. Okay, moving a lot faster. 3 left. 1, 2, 3, and he's got it. Fantastic. Thank you for playing. All right, once that shoots, make sure you collect your key. Tap your power-up band right there. There we go. Awesome.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you.
Your food as well.
Thank you. And I'll go out the way I came.
Yeah, there you go. Have a great day.
You too. Okay, so I think I'm going to splurge a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go with the Toadstool Cheesy Garlic Knots. And then I'm probably going to get the Piranha Plant Caprese. I'm between that and the Yoshi's Favorite Fruit and Veggie Salad. And then on the back, I'm going to get the Mount Beanpole Cake. Although the block tiramisu looks really good too. And then I'll try the Superstar Lemon Squash drink. And I'm very debating whether I want to get a collectible sipper, which is a Super Mushroom or 1-Up. Getting assigned a table, and then we have a little buzzer, and we're gonna come over to the table, and then it's recognized the number, and then Chef Toad starts making the food. And we're right next to the window, so we have a great view. And here's a nice little pan of the dining area. It's very big in here. It's very empty too, which I don't mind right now. Okay, so here is the drink. And I ended up going with the block tiramisu instead of the cake. But I also got Declan a peach cupcake because he was talking about it yesterday. So let's flip this around and give this a try. Ooh, that is very tropical, but it's very good. This would be amazing on a really hot summer day, which is coming very quickly. All right, so here's the salad, and it's very much on plate. Some asparagus first, tomatoes, and then a salad. Here's the garlic knots. There is the tiramisu box, and then here is the cupcake, which is to go. And the box, they said, isn't a very tall box, so it's probably gonna get smushed, so I'll take a picture of it because it's not gonna look like that by the time I get home. All right, so I did forget to talk about the food. Garlic knots, they were good. A lot of fresh garlic on them and some good flavor. Bread was a little bit tough, but it was a nice contrast. So then for the salad, the dressing was really good. It was really creamy. And then all of the vegetables were super fresh. I could tell that. The mozzarella was great with the tomato slices. And then definitely, I think my favorite of the whole thing, which is ironic because I normally hate desserts, was the dessert. The tiramisu was amazing. The box was made out of like little thin cookies. And then the filling was just really good. I destroyed that entire thing. I did not eat any of the cupcake because that's for Declan. But it looks really good. I did have to chop off the top of the frosting to be able to fit it into the box. But all in all, the meal was amazing. I left not craving anything, even though I was a little bummed out that there wasn't like a bigger entree for meatless. But it was still really good, and there's food I haven't tried yet, so I look forward to eating the other items that I can eat next time I go. All right, now we're back to checking stuff out. Oh, what is this over here? Rankings.
It looks like a creator.
Oh, okay. Team rankings. Oh, goodness. There are people over 4,000 coins already. So come over here. Now we're kind of looking for characters a little bit. Oh, what is this with this Goomba? Oh, that is very cool. This very much looks like where you'd probably meet Princess Peach. Oh, and she is at 12:30, and it is 12:30 right now. So she's gonna come out, and oh, I think I see her getting ready to come out right here. Ha ha ha. She is talking, it's just really hard to hear. Her eyes are so responsive too. Okay, Mario and Luigi's at 1 o'clock, and I tried to get in line for Peach, but it was already closed, the queue, before she even came out. So I'm gonna wait in line for Mario and Luigi and not miss this one. After a little delay, here comes Mario and Luigi marching over.
I think they do ours.
All right, we'll get one more shot of Mario and Luigi from this side. Don't mean to creep in on other people's photos, but they do a few different poses, which is really cool. All right, so I think that's gonna wrap up my time here in Super Nintendo World today. I did not go look at everything, but on purpose, because when I come back with the family, I wanna have a little bit that I haven't seen yet
to kind of experience for the first time with them. All in all, it's really, really cool in here. That ride is amazing. I think I've said I was going to talk about it, and I don't know if I ever did because I got distracted by other things. So you have the goggles that come down, or like a visor, and it's very much like some flight simulators that I use for one of my jobs, where it's like a halo that comes down and you can see through it, but then there's images in the visor that only you can see. And that's the majority of the game. It was really, really cool. I can't wait to experience it without a camera. All in all, there's a whole lot of nostalgia here for me. To be able to come in here and see all this, it's just amazing. I can't wait for the true opening. We have pass holder preview coming up that we're gonna attend, and the whole family will be here. And then it opens live on February 17th. So just over a month away. So we hope you like this video. If so, please give us that thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. As always, please be kind and be real, and join us on our next experience.